Hello, this is Shiny and welcome back to another episode of Thoughtful Leaders, Thoughts on Education, presented by College Dunia. Today we have with us Dr. Bhadra Shah, ma'am, Professor and H.O.D of Oral Medicine and Radiology Department, AMC Dental College, Ahmedabad. Welcome to our show, ma'am.
Hi.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, to start off with the interview, I would like to ask that you say something about your department and roles and responsibilities, your offerings of your department.
See, this is the Department of Oral Medicine and Radiology. The patient, whoever is coming in the hospital, they have to come first to our department. They enroll their name and their difficulties, their complaint. They are all listed here, and according to their complaint, we have to decide which treatment is suitable for them. If they require any investigation or not. So, with the help of investigation and history of the patient, we decide what to do with this particular patient, and we give the medicinal treatment as well as and we shift to the department which required to the particular patient.
Right, ma'am. So my question is, what is the USP of your department? What is the valuable insight of the programs you are offering?
See, we have here third year, final year BDS student and intern student of who are pursuing Bachelor of Dental Surgery. We have so many instrument and equipment. Latest instrument and equipment we include that OPG as well as the CBCT. CBCT is one of the kind of that is equipment which is we are the first ever to have in our department in the Gujarat.
Right, ma'am. So moving to my next question. So what would you say that how does the program ensure students are being prepared for the future? What is the career opportunities for them after pursuing this?
See, we are right now. It is a era of the forensic odontology, forensic medicine. So we are also planning for the 3D printer also. So with the help of CBCT and 3D printer, it is outcome of the forensic odontology is very much. So we are preparing the student for the future. They have their step together with the other developing country, and they can perform their best whenever they go.
Right, ma'am. So now I would like to ask that any challenges you faced while inculcating this program into your curriculum in the departmental studies.
See, challenges as such are there that some patient is when the student are not going properly in their academic preparation and they are not following whatever we are giving to them, then and then it is difficult. Otherwise, we are all here. We am as a mentor, we are helping all our mentee to perform their best, and for any guide in any field, whether there is in form of any publication or presentation, we are having program of this is the showcase is also there where they can perform their stage performance of publication and presentation.
Right, ma'am. So how do you train yourself and faculties to deliver these programs to the students?
We have continuing teacher training program over here. So we update ourselves how to go through various type of exam containing exam. So the student which are having difficulty in other type of exam schedule. So we take some MCQ type or preparation in other way to cope up them with the upcoming their syllabus.
Right, ma'am. So what are the benefits and career options after pursuing this course, BDS or MDS, that you are offering for UG students as well and PG from passing?
There are multiple opportunity. These people can do their prior practice just after finishing their BDS degree. They can go for their pursuing their MDS program. Also, if they want to go for abroad, so preparation of that examination that performing in the abroad, we are training student here in our department in college also, and they have a wide experience of exposure to the patient. So we have so many patients, at least we have 250 patients on a day basis of the OPD, and multiple type of various lesion and condition and systemic disease which is having oral manifestation. We are exposing student to this type of patient, so they can perform their they come to know what is the diagnosis, how to come to the diagnosis, what we do for the investigation, where what way we have to come to the treatment plan, that is perfectly taught to them, so that is very much beneficial to them.
Right, ma'am. So, type of projects that students are working on through these courses and programs you're offering.
See, here we are, as I said earlier, we are arranging the showcase program twice a year, and from each department they have to perform. They are their publication. Starting for the publication, we are from the second BDS. We are encouraging them for this. We are also encouraging for the selection of the topic for their research program, and in the final year and in intern they have to do their publication with the help of their mentor and the academic staff.
Right, ma'am. So, ma'am, we have come to an end of this interview. So, to end this interview, I'd like to ask that any advice you would like to give to current youth and aspiring students, ma'am.
So anyway, whichever institute you select, first select the patient flow, where the patient flow is there. So the criteria for the selection should be the patient flow, then academic staff, and the environment. According to all three stage of the selection, this AMC Dental College, as I can say, is having the most senior staff faculty, and patient flow, as I said earlier, it is superb. We have multiple type of patient, and we are also we are also entitled for the best submission for the oral cancer registry. So in all over India, we have listed maximum patient which are having precancerous and cancerous lesion and condition. So this is the institute where you fulfill all your requirement, all your dream. So you can choose accordingly.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you so much for your time, ma'am. Thank you from College Dunia.
Thank you.